Hi everyone. Hope you can continue to support me. Click the like and subscribe this channel. If having more likes and subscribes, I can keep the job here. If not, I will lose it then. Please support me. Anyway, do you love to make bread? Today we will do a wonderful bread named salted butter roll. It is very tasty. Okay. Can't wait for a while. Let's see what ingredients we need. First, to do the dough, we need bread flour, 80 grams, instant dry yeast, 1 teaspoon, sugar, 2 tablespoons, skim milk powder, 1 tablespoon, beaten egg, half piece in water, 80 ml. After well mixed, we still add bread flour, 80 grams, salt, 1/3 teaspoon, and unsalted butter, 30 grams. Fermentation is finished. Now we can do the shape. Use 30 grams unsalted butter and cut into 5 small cubes. Before baking, we do decoration with 10 grams, melted unsalted butter, 1 teaspoon, roasted black sesame and little, rock salt. Delicious. The breads are crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. I think I can finish all. Yet. If want to watch what bread I will make in coming up videos, please subscribe to this channel, share, click the like and turn on the notification bell for all videos. When I have any new videos here, you can get it at once. See you next time.